Are you tired of missing customer inquiries or spending hours answering repetitive questions? Imagine having an AI powered assistant automatically answering all your business queries on Telegram. With n8n and ChatGPT, you can turn your Telegram business channel into a 24/7 customer service powerhouse. No coding required. Let's get started. Now, to build your very own business chat on Telegram, you need to first add a Telegram node or the Telegram trigger, and you need to select on message. So the trigger should activate when someone messages on the channel. And if you have already added your Telegram account or linked your Telegram account to n8n, you can skip to later. And if you haven't, you can follow the steps I will show you now. Now on your Telegram app, you need to go to search bar and search bot father and click on start. You'll be provided a range of options. You need to go with new bot and it will ask you how are we going to call it. You can name anything. You can write your business name here. For example, IKEA query bot, right? Now let's choose a username for this, and you can choose your Telegram username. Make sure it ends with bot. So Telegram query bot, and that's it. Our Telegram channel has been created. Now you can see you have been provided with a token which starts with 798, ends with RRK. So this token you need to copy and paste it on your n8n, and that's how you link your n8n account with your Twitter or Telegram account. Now on your Telegram, you can click on create new credentials and add your access token here to link your Telegram channel to n8n. Now next thing we'll do is we'll add an AI agent, which will be the intelligence or the answering machine, and we'll select define below here because the format it usually takes is a little different than what we want. So here we'll choose expressions and make sure you add those curly braces with $JSON and .message .chat .id, right? So this is how you take in message .chat message .text. So this is how you accept or take in the message you receive from Telegram channel into your AI agent. Now let's add intelligence for thinking this one, and I'll select GPT-4. Yeah, that's correct. The next thing we'll do is we'll select system message, and as you have seen, we have selected conversational agent because we do not want any other tools to help us for this workflow. We just want to have a conversation. So we can add all kinds of business information here, like for example, you can write IKEA automation agency is an AI automation agency that helps SMEs with business process, pardon my spellings, automation, business process automation with their tools including chatbots, RAG bots, AI agents. We provide business automation consultancy. Contact us on business@ikea.agency. So that's too much information, I know, but you can provide as much information as you would like of your company, or you want to answer your users' questions. Now Telegram, and here we'll select send a message, right? So send a text message. So this will send the message back to our Telegram chat. For the text, we will select expressions again and $JSON.text. For the chat ID, we need to pick it up from the trigger node. So I'll write $telegram trigger dot all and 0.json. So you can note this down. This is how you normally pick up the chat ID for Telegram. I may be wrong. Let's find out when we run the workflow, and that's how we learn, because those things are not constant. They are not something you can apply all over on all the nodes, but that's fine. You can afford a few failed transactions or failed workflow processes before you have successful ones. So I'll save those and I'll write a message from Telegram, and let's see how this one works. Before that, make sure you click on test workflow, and I have written a message from Telegram. Let's see. Okay, it has failed, which is all right. So our message did go from Telegram to the AI agent, and it went to the OpenAI chat model, and finally it failed here. So I guess I was wrong. What message we did receive from Telegram was, inside the Telegram trigger, we had message. Okay, we had message, and inside that we had chat, right? Yeah. So I need to add message here. Let me do that very quickly. So I just added a simple hi message before I send a query, right? So let's test again. I will stop this workflow and click on test workflow again. Now I'll message hi. I want to automate email sending to my clients. Can you help? Okay, let's see if this one worked. I go to executions and it did work. It is successful. So congratulations. And what did it message? Yes, we can definitely help you automate your email sending to your clients. We can discuss specific requirements, suggest you best tools. I am not seeing the same message on my Telegram channel because of this error. So it was my bad. We can change that to output. That's how we receive messages from AI agent. So you can test this again and it will surely work. You will see the message on your Telegram channel again. Now for the next step, let's advance our approach or take a new step forward. So we have already dealt with the text messages. Next thing we can do is we can add voice messaging here, right? So if you're fine with just text messaging, you can stop the video here, it's fine. But if you want to know how to message or how to send a voice note on Telegram and get answers from that voice note, you can keep watching. So I'll just remove this link from here and I'll add if. So if will test or check if the message we received from the earlier node, was it a string or was it a text or was it something else, right? So I'll select here, and that's expressions is a string exists, right? So if the string exists, that means the message exists. We can just go forward with this approach, or we can choose if the text message is empty, right? It makes much more sense. So if it is empty, that means it has to be a voice file. That's what triggered this Telegram node. So if it is empty, that means it's a voice note. If it is false, we can just move forward and send the message here, which will be json.text, right? If it is a false, we need to follow a few more steps, which is the first one being waiting for the message to be uploaded properly for 5 seconds. I think that's enough, but you can maybe wait for 3 or 4 seconds. That's all right. just to make sure the voice note gets properly uploaded on Telegram server. And we'll select Telegram again, we'll select download. Okay, download is not available. So what we will do, we'll select get file, right? So we need to get the file, which is the audio file which we just uploaded, or the voice note which we just uploaded. And for file ID, we need to do something similar to what we did here. We'll copy this and paste it there. And instead of chat, we need to do is voice, right? And let's see, file ID. I'm still not sure completely, but let's see if we do face error, we'll rectify it next time. Now the file is with us, we will transcribe it. We'll ask OpenAI to transcribe a recording, right? And audio file, data, and that's it. So make sure resources, yeah, I think that's it. And this we will forward it to our AI agent, right? So let's put our AI agent here, and this will connect it here, right? So let's test this. Let's see how this one works. I'll add a voice note in my Telegram chat. Let's see if this one picks it up. And let's test this. Okay, I've sent a note, and let's see if it got executed, and it did. And it went through the correct route. It picked up the message here, and I don't think it picked it up correctly. Alright, so it did not find the text message, so it went through the true node, and here it waited for a few seconds. It went to Telegram and picked up the exact ID, which is this voice note which I just sent, and OpenAI translated it, and it did translate it correctly. I want a few answers about my business processes. I just asked a random question, and AI agent message, please specify the question you have about your business process. I'm glad to help. And let's see if it did respond correctly. And I'm checking my Telegram, and it did send me the message back. So this is how you can automate your voice notes as well. And if you send the text message, it will just follow the normal route. If it does not detect the text message coming in from the Telegram channel, it will go down the other route. And that's it. You can maybe provide other types of input as well. And that's all about the Telegram. You can also do the same things with WhatsApp, and n8n provides WhatsApp integration as well. But the thing about WhatsApp, it's a little difficult to get permission for sending direct messages using WhatsApp APIs. So if you do find it, it's really lucky of you. If you want to know more about it, I'll be uploading a video on Facebook developer account, how to get developer access, how to get API access for sending messages on WhatsApp, and many more things. So stay tuned for that. And if you found this workflow video helpful, if you found it useful and implementable for your business, do give us a like, do subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your other colleagues or friends who might take advantage of this as well. And in the comment section, do mention what you would like to see next automated in your business. Thank you.